Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's your girl Kami. So you guys, you remember the post that Diana Marua posted on her Instagram page claiming that LimaVest is a scam. So now LimaVest has reacted to this post and they said that Diana Marua, posted a damaging post about LimaVest business. Anyway guys, this is what LimaVest wrote to our dear clients and the public in general. It is unfortunate that Diana Marua decided to post on social media such a damaging statement before confirmation of facts on March 9, 2021. We have received numerous alarming requests from existing clients seeking clarification, cancellation by potential purchasers, and general inquiries from the public. It is in light of this that we, the family of LimaVest, wish to share this statement of clarification. Okay, Jennifer Kamau engaged LimaVest and signed contracts on 15th August 2020 for purchases of 3 parcels of land and another pineapple management contract for only 1 parcel of land. Contracts signed on the 27th August 2020. Jennifer's brother visited the site within 30 days from when the contract was signed. Jennifer insisted we refund the sums paid for. Jennifer insisted we refund the sums paid for the pineapple planting since it wasn't planted yet. On September 4th, 2020, we were in the process of clearing and we were already planting 6 acres. One of those being Jennifer. She requested for photos, but our farm manager had not taken the farm yet. Although he mentioned by text that it was being planted. It is taken us about 6 days to plant 1 acre and the site visit day, but we had already cleared the area of planting. It was an unfortunate miscommunication where she understood that underway meant her exact plot was being planted and not all the 6 plots, but it was not an intentional one. She, however, contacted Diana Marua to mediate on her behalf since she came to know of the investment opportunity through her and only invested because of her, she previously stated in her video. We refunded all sums of paid pineapple management contract on the 7th October 2020. Jennifer later requested for a refund of all sums paid on purchase of the 3 parcels. LimaVest was not contractually obliged to refund but agreed to refund in order to maintain the goodwill built with her despite an end to the contractual relationship. Since the parcel belonged to Jennifer legally, LimaVest could only sell on her behalf. Both parties engaged in yet another contract, this time an agency contract allowing LimaVest to sell the 3 parcels and remit the refunds to Jennifer. LimaVest managed to obtain a buyer for one of the plots and payments had all been made with a balance of Kenya shillings 100,000, which was to be paid in 2 installments by end of April 2021. For the longest time, Jennifer had been sending threats to LimaVest that she will tarnish LimaVest's name if she didn't get a full refund of all her plots, despite LimaVest reminding her that the agency contract agreed on was still being complied with. They continued to offer threats which are now circulating in social media. LimaVest went out of its way and offered to pay the balance out of the pocket on March 9, 2021 via a letter from its lawyers. Kazi Advocates LLP shared to her via email on March 9, 2021. The letter also terminated the agency contract in line with the agreement terms due to her insistent threats and also warned her not to engage in any defamatory statement. It is after the letter was sent that they decided to go on social media and defame LimaVest. It is unfortunate that her and Diana Marua, with whom our founders had fallen out of friendship from 9th November 2020, exactly 5 months ago, in completely business and related matters, have now tarnished LimaVest's reputation. Kindly note that the fallout was solely due to personal matters and had absolutely nothing to do with business. We will not post, but we wish to state that we have all signed documents and transactions to support our statement for any institution wishing to verify our facts. LimaVest lawyers are already in contact with the stated individuals in light of the erroneous claims posted on social media in the the past 24 hours. We are very aware that we are running a business in these times of social media where you are judged first, understood later, and ultimately forgotten. It is also a time where it is hard to learn business on the go. Social media only forgives perfection. We are not perfect. We are not even near perfection. We are doing it and afraid we will not stop, because if we do, the ones who start business after us will not find a path to learn and grow their own. It was a mistake that we could not handle Jennifer better. It was also a very negligent and ignorant mistake to open our doors to people who are unable to sustain. In light of this, we pray for wisdom for companies marketing online as well as influencers. We pray that our influencers are not quick to act on emotion. We pray that our influencers are smart enough not to smear mud on their clients. And if a client is coming, do not wait for 5 months to come out and speak. What will you tell your fans or followers who got scammed in your waiting? We take this time to thank all our clients who have called, email, text to reassure us of their support and prayers. We are also so elated for clients who are sending a screenshot of our contract stating the land is under adjudication, title insurance is underway for that entire part of Malindi within which Limavet Parcels falls under. We urge all to remain calm. Give us time to handle this with sanity. Let us all let this incident be remembered as one of the stones that we use to build a lasting solution for ease of running businesses online. In the meantime, our contacts are still active. Our offices are still open. Anyone wishing to go for a site visit is invited to come anytime, any day. We are here to stay. Remember, you can still invest in our goat ranch if you haven't already, or in any of our hives which are located in our pineapple farm or located in Malindi, where you can visit and cover all products within an hour. Kazi iendelee. Anyway guys, you've heard it all. You've heard what is going on. I don't even know what to comment about. People are just saying that they are still scammers. People are saying that they cannot trust Diana. Somebody said the plotting course when it comes to title deeds, it's a puzzle. Anyway guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I see you in my next one.